अमिताभ का जो भी दोस्त रहा है उसकी गांडी लगी है देखो.
Can you name a few?
अमर सिंह,
Amar Singh,
right? राजेश खन्ना,
Rajesh
बच्चन,
Abhishek Bachchan.
अभिषेक बच्चन,
Yeah.
रेखा,
Rekha.
रेखा's security guard.
Yeah.
जया.
What
Any-
happened to Rekha security guard?
He got COVID, bro.
And died?
No, no.
Oh.
It's so funny that Sanjay Gandhi tried to get Nasbandi done and now people go and fuck in Sanjay Gandhi National Park.
This is my deadly day कि funeral के खाने को इतना अच्छा मत बनाओ भाई.
No, Rajiv again was a very reluctant guy. Was a homely guy at a job. Is like मेरे को job पे जाना है, बीवी से बात करना है. I belong to this political family. लेकिन मेरे को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है.
Yeah. Do you guys think Rajiv Gandhi is part of Mile High Club?
What you need is the love of a parent, not the love of a dying parent.
Rajiv Gandhi didn't really know how to fly. He basically he would always carry one midget in his jacket. He was a much better flyer than Rajiv Gandhi. Welcome to episode 2 of Who Died Today. We have a very special person that we're going to discuss today. It's the 21st of May. But before we move into that segment, we're going to start with a segment called Deadly Takes.
Still a flow, deadly takes, I spit them out with no delay.
I believe that orphanages and old age homes should be on the exact same premises. They should be in the same building because it kind of complements each other, don't you guys think?
Hard disagree, dude. अभी दोनों का पॉटी कौन साफ करेगा?
Even though I'm not an orphan, so I'm not an expert on this subject, okay? But say if I was one, what you need is the love of a parent, not the love of a dying parent. You fall in love with that parent and the next day they're not there. You know, that's a little...
Yeah, I mean, who would want to be orphan like twice in 2 months? Like a 1-year-old ऐसे चिता को आग दे रहा है. थोड़ा सा लकड़ी उठाने में तो मुश्किल ही है ना, भारी होता है.
Like,
What if it's an old orphan? Where does he live?
okay, here's old orphan should be made to live with a very young grandparent. So, like, it's a 70-year-old orphan, which all 70-year-olds should be orphans, and 18-year-old grandparent. Like, you know, let's say a Rajasthani boy. What do you?
Isn't that what you called a gold digger? Sorry, I thought that was a whole gold digger scene.
Yeah, one might say this is a sugar daddy, sugar baby situation. But I feel since it's
sugar baby.
Sugar baby is basically a child who is doing it for the money. And doing what?
Isn't that just baby also?
Yeah, all babies are sugar babies, dude.
Oh, yeah. Technically, all kids are also sugar babies.
Yeah, they want someone
Yeah,
to take
sugar.
care of them. They don't go to college. They don't work.
Dude.
They want pocket money.
Yeah, dude.
All babies are sugar babies.
But tell me, where do these people
And
meet?
love.
Where do the old people meet the young people? Are they allowed in each other's properties or do they meet somewhere in the middle? In the garden, in the Nana Nani Park, where the orphans come for a walk and the old people are coming out for a walk. And that's where they interact. That's a beautiful moment, I think, in a garden.
Organic.
Organic. Dude, it's such an offensive name for an orphan, Nana Nani Park, you know. Like, dude, yeah, I don't have them.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh no, but you could still have Nana Nani, you know.
Yeah, you can be an like that's actually the worst.
What?
कि नाना नानी है फिर भी तू orphanage में रह रहा है.
Why is it that the worst?
Because then
Let
the
Nana Nani fuck, bro. Let Nana Nani have a good time at home. What's wrong with you? They live in a small 1 BHK. You want to like be that kid who's like coming in the middle of this good sex life.
It's not. Is it that good?
Don't
sex
be
life?
shallow. Don't be shallow, dude. Just go in that orphanage and live, na.
Yeah, I think for me it's like, look, man, someone who's already experienced death, meeting someone who's going to experience death, good combination.
हाँ वो भी सही होगा ना कि
Beautifully put.
Yeah.
या वो भी easy है उनके लिए कि
Just like
diaper
old-
है क्या आपके पास and they can exchange diapers.
Technically, both possibly could need diapers.
Yeah,
it kind of aligns, like what kind of resources the space needs. Anyways, like, you know, what do they need?
थोड़ा बल्क में खरीदेगा सब चीज तो सस्ता.
या तो सस्ता भी पड़ेगा कि 4 दीजिए.
एडल्ट डायपर्स बेबी डायपर्स क्या ही फर्क है, साइज में फर्क है ना. 2 बेबीज को डाल दो एक एडल्ट डायपर में.
या या 2 बेबी डायपर लगा के एक अडल्ट डायपर, एक
why
पैर
not?
में you can.
Or cut one adult diaper into half, and suddenly you have 2 baby diapers, and it makes sense. I feel.
सारे चड्डी में
ठीक है यार, चलो ठीक है, चलो हगना वगने का सिचुएशन तो
बहुत।
रिजॉल्व कर लिया तुमने, बट वो इमोशनल कनेक्ट कैसे बनाओगे तुम? जो आदमी तुमसे 4 जनरेशन अलग है, so are you saying orphans are just desperate, they just want one parental figure? नहीं भाई, they also have like a priority,
Like that.
choice.
Yeah. If suddenly orphan is given a parental figure, would they be okay? Put yourself in the shoes of orphans.
हाँ, why
नहीं आएगा भाई, बहुत
do
छोटे
I as an orphan what?
नहीं आएगा,
बहुत
बहुत
छोटा है।
छोटे होते हैं ब्रो.
पहली बात, ऑर्फन्स को जूते किसने खरीद के दी?
वही तो उनका प्रॉब्लम है.
But my question is, why as an orphan do I not deserve a santoor mummy? Why do I deserve an old age mom?
Why a grand?
Everybody deserves.
Why an
Santoor
anti-aging
mom, yeah,
cream?
everyone
Why not
wants
Santoor
one
mom?
like santoor mommy, mummy, dude.
Santoor mommy.
पूरे दिन जो नहाती रहे
I
बस.
also deserve a Santoor.
Even non-orphans deserve, bro.
That said, Sarang, you had a very interesting deadly take. Do you wanna share your?
No, I
deadly
was just talking about how there are some advantages to your parents passing away. Just some, like a few. Not like all, but some.
If they're rich, definitely.
Oh, if they're poor also, then actually that's better. Like you don't have to take care of them.
If they're poorer, yeah,
poorer, yeah.
Poorer than what?
you.
Poorer than.
See, the thing is, parents help you because you're all your life you're poorer than them, right?
Suddenly, when the
You
financial
become,
balance
yeah,
changes.
and now you gotta help them because they are poorer, right?
Fair.
There's also always like more freedom. Most possibly, they might leave you a house, whatever the size of it is.
I'm not getting any inheritance, so it's pointless for me. Whatever you're saying.
Yeah, we're leaving Abhay out of this
I
conversation.
don't think you are getting
I
any
hate-
also.
I mean, after this podcast,
You know what? If I just start visiting your parents today and be nice to them, more chances that I get some inheritance than you get any inheritance.
Could be.
I think you used up your inheritance the last 6 months.
All of it.
All of it is gone. See, all the superheroes and all, they
Yeah.
don't have parents.
Right. Oh, so that's why they get to be wherever
Yeah, I mean,
safe
there's
people.
more character development that you undergo through. Otherwise,
So that's what's stopping you from becoming Batman, huh?
not. I think.
It's not.
I think
Not
just
your Marwadi genes at all.
Yeah, not the fact that you're a copywriter and not
तू
a
केप का लुंगी बना लेगा साले. तू ऐसा बैटमैन है.
Harry Potter भी, bro. Harry Potter भी.
हाँ, हैरी पॉटर.
तो Ron Weasley को देख ले.
Yeah, Harry Potter
okay
lost
था.
his parents, became a legend.
Yeah.
Batman lost his parents, became a legend.
Superman.
lost his parents,
Superman lost
became a
his
legend.
parents, became a legend.
Bunty lost his
Bunty?
parents,
Yeah.
and no one still knows him.
one
So,
knows,
like,
no one
not always.
Yeah.
Not all.
Especially if your name is Bunty, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Dude, I think the day they named him Bunty, they were dead to him.
Yeah.
That's when Bunty.
Subconsciously, Bunty didn't realize initially.
Bunty is a great supervillain name. I think his genesis starts with the name itself. The world was unkind.
Yeah, that's also.
Sympathy.
You get sympathy. There.
Oh, sympathy. Sympathy is very important.
Bitches dig you if you're orphan.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's a thing.
I would
Damn,
presume. I've not been.
You've not.
Hey, wait a minute. The person for today also got a lot of sympathy.
Yeah. Our,
Once his parents were not there.
yeah.
So
actually,
there was political benefit.
in fact, he got overwhelming.
Yeah,
sympathy.
overwhelming.
Yeah. He always spoke with those sad eyes.
Oh, who are we talking about? You'll find out in just a bit.
Who gets your like Aadhaar updated? Who like? There's so many. I diss on your advantages. I see them as disadvantages, dude. I don't. Parents are.
Who gets your Aadhaar updated? Like after your.
Yeah,
parents died?
who gets the basic things in your life done, bro? It's just you don't even realize so much they do.
Is the parents.
Yeah.
So those bad Aadhaar photos are.
Parents, all
their
parents, all parents.
Which kind of makes sense. They don't want you to get laid.
No, it's their genes also, na. Bad face, bad Aadhaar photo. You know, it doesn't start.
No, I think other photos are bad regardless.
Dude, come on, dude.
और सबसे मुश्किल तो I think laundry पे होगा जब तू घर जाएगा तो laundry का
Laundry कौन करेगा? खाना कौन बनाएगा?
खाना तो
Downside
but वो
से-
For
ऐसा
that you can
घर
get
का
married,
laundry
but
better.
you know.
I think nobody here wants their parents to go away.
No, I
The
want them to
bright-
go away, not
But the
die.
reality
Not
is
die.
that they will, and
Yeah,
he's
they
trying to
will.
show us the brighter side.
The brighter side,
Yeah,
sure,
there's like
sure.
Brighter side is that you can keep all the lights on and your parents won't budge
Oh yeah.
you.
oh yeah.
That's such
Nobody
a
would
But
turn
then
off
you
your
have
fan.
to,
Yeah.
then you turn more responsible also.
I don't have the skills to talk to somebody at the bar, especially because of my parents. I think.
Why? Because they're always with you, or what? When you're
Your
at the bar?
parents, when you're in the bar, they are around.
Yeah, they never let me to the bar or talk.
See, that's the difference.
Oh, I
between
thought it was
Batman
because
and-
your dad is at the bar talking to chicks. So then you can't go there because he'll find you at the bar. You
Is
know?
it the same bar?
You have to keep chilling
Hitting
in
on
the
the same
smoke.
moment.
So, Abhay, what is your deadly take?
My deadly take is that it does not matter after death. Your death ceremony, whatever you're doing, is for the people who are alive.
Yeah,
Correct.
The one who's dead doesn't know what is happening around him or her anymore, or they or them anymore.
They have gone.
Yeah, they have
Wherever.
gone. So how does it matter who to call, what to do? All that is bullshit.
Yeah, but that's old people, man.
That's because he's alive right now. Once he's dead, he won't know.
He won't know. And fungi will do its job anyways. It'll.
So you're like, I don't want to call. Let him like be there for 1 month, 2 months. Then you call.
So you're okay with the idea of the body naturally decaying?
Yeah. I feel like I'm not saying सफाई मत करो. सफाई करो. सफाई करो.
सफाई किया करो, but around the body.
हाँ, आप चद्दर झाड़ दो, वापस उनको लेटा दो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको जो करना है बेसिकली, वो उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है भाई, वो मर चुके हैं यार. वो थोड़ा ना उठ के बोलने वाले भाई कंफर्टेबल नहीं लग रहे, ये वाले कपड़े चेंज कर दे.
या ये कपड़ा चेंज करना तो हमेशा weird ही लगा है मेरे को.
Yeah, why would you
Dead body का कपड़ा
फूल लगाते हैं, कपड़े चेंज करते हैं. फूल तो चल ठीक है, स्मेल आ रही है, लगा दिया, ठीक है. कपड़े चेंज करते हैं, ये करते, वो करते. नाक में कॉटन डाल रहे, क्यों डाल रहे भाई? सांस ले लेगा गलती से, वो नहीं ना, खत्म यार, आदमी खत्म, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
तू नाक में कॉटन डाल के इंश्योर कर रहा है कि
वो मर जाए.
कि ये रिसरेक्ट अगर हुआ भी तो भी
देखो मेरा इंस्पिरेशन हो सकता है गलत हो. मैंने ये जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवी से सीखा है, जहाँ पे जेम्स बॉन्ड का दोस्त मरता है, उसको उठा के डस्टबिन में डाल देता है. तो
जेम्स का दोस्त. हाँ.
हाँ, तो लड़की पूछती है कि अरे तुम्हारा दोस्त है, तुमने डस्टबिन में डाल दिया, क्या कर रहे हो उसकी बॉडी? क्या तो बोल रहे अब तो मर गया, उसको क्या पता चल रहा है डस्टबिन में है कि वो बेस्ट, वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट कॉफिन में है कि नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
वो तो हम लाइक बिलीव करते हैं कि सोल आफ्टर लाइफ, ये वो तो लगता है कि भैया ये लास्ट राइट्स नहीं किए तो पीस नहीं मिलेगा. अरे क्या किसने एस्टैब्लिश किया है?
यार आई एम वेरी अगेंस्ट कि मैं तो जिन कपड़ों में मरूंगा प्लीज चेंज मत करो, बिकॉज इट्स मोर लाइक कि मेरे
तो 6 दिन पहले भी वही पहने थे तूने.
मोर लाइक यार नंगे, मतलब यू नो जस्ट लाइक
You want to go naked?
no, I don't want to go naked. I'm like, why do you want to?
Oh, why do you want to undress me? So
Yeah.
it's a weird fetish.
Yeah.
Sure.
Plus he died with his hard cock.
Just
Morning
possible.
wood.
What is?
Possible.
मैं क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट से 2 पैराकिट्स लाया था. 2 दिन में मर गए वो. फिर क्या, मैंने फेंक दिया डस्टबिन में. मैं तो
Oh yeah, they're very hard agree, bro. मैंने अपने बिल्ली का पूरा प्रॉपर दफन करवाया था, उसके 2000 रुपए लगे थे. And once everything had died, like was done, I was like, dustbin.
बिल्ली को दफनाने के 2000 रुपए.
मुस्लिम थी ना
जलाने
बिल्ली?
के bro.
बिल्ली
वो
मुस्लिम
जलाने?
थी तो.
जलाने के bro.
ओ क्रेमेटोरियम में.
मतलब हाँ वो प्रॉपर इधर.
ओ मुझे दफनाया तूने बोला ना, तो
हाँ sorry मतलब
जलाया है, दफनाया.
चला.
जला-
हिंदू थी बिल्ली.
जलाया वो.
Exactly what my point is, bro. Hindu, Muslim, all this. It doesn't matter. He's dead.
सबको
The
dustbin में
cat's
फेंको.
dead. The cat doesn't know.
But you know Parsis do that. Parsis leave their
For vultures.
yeah, they leave it.
That's
in the,
also a ceremony.
That's fun actually, in a way. Like at least the vultures are getting a good meal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude.
But nobody
and-
likes vultures. So.
Parsis have a very interesting take on death. So they have something called towers of silence. That's what they're called, where these bodies are kept.
Dungarwadi, bro, it's right here.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Towers of silence are everywhere. And whatever, vultures come and eat the thing. But now vultures are getting extinct. So they've got
Because
electric.
they've been eating Parsis.
No, because of
No, they have to fly a long range because they are ideally they are like
लंबी flight है
Yeah.
उनकी. And indirect होता है usually. तो layover is long. They're very tired.
Right.
So अच्छा so मतलब air quality index और ये सब. reasons.
AQI. They're just not interested in Bombay anymore,
Yeah, yeah.
basically. Vultures are like, let's go to.
Like the last good Parsi they had was Freddie Mercury. So they're like, dude.
Oh.
And he had AIDS, so the vultures also got AIDS, and now it's like a problem in the vulture community. So, anyways, but
Oh, that's why they're getting extinct.
that's why it's Freddie Mercury gave all vultures.
You might
AIDS.
have caused all.
Uh, So, anyways, so in Zoroastrians believe that as soon as the breath has left the body, it becomes impure. Death is considered to be the work of Angra Mainyu, the embodiment of all that is evil, whereas the earth and all that is beautiful is considered to be the pure work of God. So basically, when your body leaves its last breath, you are impure. That's what their take is. So they're like, fuck it, go.
हाथ नहीं लगाने का भाई
हाथ नहीं लगाने का इसको.
तो वल्चर्स को भी खराब खाना ही खिला रहे हैं वो मतलब इतने मार
Yeah, I थोड़ा hate. I think they don't like vultures then. Dude.
yeah they're not giving them fresh food this is my deadly take कि फ्यूनरल के खाने को इतना अच्छा मत बनाओ भाई समझ रहे हो नहीं तो फिर मेरा मन कर जाता है कि
कोई मर जाए.
और कौन बुड्ढा दिख रहा है इधर इसको टपकाओ भाई
But that's good, bro. That's what we want.
We want
Death to be normalized, you know. Like,
Yeah, but
अच्छा
I am-
खाना सिर्फ शादी पे क्यों खाना है तेरे को?
हाँ बट वो शादी से बेटर नहीं होना चाहिए नहीं तो आई एम क्रेविंग द वेडिंग मोर देन द डेथ मोर देन द वेडिंग कि भाई
शादी से better तो होता है.
एंड शादी में तो लिमिटेड मील्स होते हैं. ये डेथ वाले फ्यूनरल पे तो it
Sorry,
keeps
Kashyap,
going on.
this is
Funeral
Marwadi
पे-
weddings. Okay, there's like a huge competition कि कितना
Yeah.
कि अरे लोग बात करते हैं यार उनके डेथ सेरेमनी में
300 रुपया पर प्लेट तो होगा नहीं
हाँ
अरे वो गुप्ता जी ने 450 रुपए पर प्लेट किया था
yeah.
दैट बिकम्स अ
The
कंपटीशन
same in weddings, but he's right. Death ceremony में wedding से अच्छा खाना नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए लेकिन होता है यूजुअली ना बेटर फूड.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
वो उस दिन के caterer पे depend
Depend
करता है. कि मेरे फैमिली में लोग मरा है, मैं क्यों खिलाऊं भाई तेरे को? I am the one who's sad. So you come and pour food for me.
हाँ सोसाइटी करता क्या है फॉर लाइक.
बट पहले यही होता है पहले जिस घर में कोई आदमी मरता है ना उसमें खाना बनता नहीं
चूल्हा नहीं जलता
चूल्हा
है.
नहीं जलता सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट फोर्टनाइट और
But that's
couple of
only
nights.
if like ladies are dying, right?
No.
I'm just
anybody.
uninformed.
If funerals में wedding से ज्यादा अच्छा खाना है तो लोग funerals भी crash करने लग जाएंगे
Oh, funeral crashers.
and it's very easy to crash a funeral you know
Yeah.
you don't need any fancy you just need to get your head shaved
Yeah.
I have crashed so many
and a
weddings
white dress.
yeah but I've never crashed a funeral
हाँ
I
लेकिन
think.
उसमें तू ये नहीं बोल सकता है कि मैं लड़के वाले की तरफ से हूँ, लड़के वाले की तरफ से हूँ. To each other. There's just one person.
yeah
वैसा झूठ बोलने का स्कोप कम है.
मेरे को ये भी लगता है लोग शादी में लिफाफा लेके आते हैं फ्यूनरल पे भी लिफाफा लेके आना चाहिए भाई
मतलब with some money and shit.
या फ्यूनरल पे भी तो खर्चा है बहनचोद भाई पैसे दो यार
People who are alive need the money.
या
और एक दारू पार्टी और एक संगीत.
हाँ.
सराव की बहन जो अपनी पार्टी करनी है हैव यू सीन दोस टिकटॉकर्स हो एक दो मतलब बहुत क्रिंज वीडियोस ही है जिसमें
No, I know.
जिसमें somebody is dead and he's like आज मैं अपने दादाजी के फ्यूनरल पे गया have you seen
Vlogging shouldn't
there's a
stop.
guy who worked at J Spot the sound guy
Yeah.
who used to do this fucking like his father is dead or somebody and he's like
What?
at my father's funeral the fuck and his father is lying at the back
Oh,
with like
dude.
fucking
Nice.
भाई सही है भाई जाते जाते भी एक फाइनल कोलैब कर रहा है.
The dad wakes up like ये कैमरा एंगल अच्छा नहीं है.
ओ भाई हाँ.
he's like पापा फिर से मरो कैमरा पे नहीं आए
Love it, dude. Love it.
Yeah. I mean जान जाए पर engagement ना जाए.
Lame last wishes, lame last wishes.
Welcome to our new segment called Lame Last Wishes, where we share some of our lamest last wishes. If I were to die tomorrow, and I knew that, I think my one last wish would be that my Instagram content is immediately archived, and I am removed from all my collab posts because I don't want people to remember what kind of bad content I made.
Oh, I thought you don't want people to remember you as a collaborator. That's
That also. I don't want my name to be associated with other people's names. That's their content, dude. I know I was only collaborating on that to get reach. And I don't want their reach anymore.
That's quite lame. Good one.
Yeah.
That's quite... What's your last lame last wish?
I think organ donating
You would like to donate?
no fuck that bro
Your last wish is to never donate a single, not make any
Yeah.
further contributions
yeah
to
also
anyone.
the last wish is anybody who's donating their organs stop these motherfuckers because we don't need more eyes in the world you know
Yeah.
we
there's
need
enough.
more blind people definitely
Why?
because then it helps other blind people feel empathetic
Do you foresee a situation where a situation where there are only 2 blind people left in the world, and you die, and you let's say I want to donate my eyes.
Yeah.
Are you foreseeing a situation where it would be like a
In that case, instead of giving them my eyeballs, I would give them my balls.
and
Just play with it because you're blind now.
like that.
Oh, what is this, man?
Yeah.
No, but he's thinking from an empathy point of view.
Yeah,
Ki what
yeah.
if
He's lacking empathy. Is all.
Yeah.
No,
I am lacking empathy,
I
but-
think what Gaju is trying to say, and Gaj, like, I don't mean to mansplain,
Okay.
but I think what he's
You're calling me a woman.
let's just, let's not put it like that. I think what he's trying to say is that, let's say there's a showdown and, one blind person versus other blind person, and only one gets to keep his eyes. He doesn't want it to be that one gets the eyes and other is still blind, because he would be the only blind person in the world, and that's unfair, correct?
Yeah, also, if you don't know whose eyes you're getting, man. You can get somebody's eyes who's a womanizer.
But why can't they share one eye each?
Yeah.
Oh, but they
Also-
also have to buy matching eye patches.
Also, एक cornea से
Not really. One will have to buy left, one will have to buy right.
Yeah, but matching.
But what if they install his left eye in their right eye socket and his right eye in their left? Will it create some sort of like...
Oh, bhenga dekh.
Bro, I think eyes are like socks.
Eyes are like socks. You can come in them.
Yeah.
But you're going for that anyway.
Interesting last wish, Gajendra. I think it comes from a place of strange emptiness inside of the soul of a person who's never had love, never received love,
No, I'll
never
tell-
received gifts. But it's a nice
I'll
last
tell
wish.
you what. I'll tell you
Yeah,
what.
who
So my
never saw
girlfriend is
real-
a organ donor. She has it on her license.
Who?
Okay. Girlfriend.
Okay.
Right. And
That's, by the way, that's news to all of us that he has a girlfriend. All right, go on.
let's just call her a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today
I
she's
thought
a
you break up
girlfriend.
like three days ago.
No, I'm just saying, like 3 days later, she couldn't be. So when this podcast comes out, I don't know.
Yeah.
That's not the
No, but
important
it's
point.
live, yeah,
I'm saying
Lady.
this person in my life, okay, I love them, but they have an organ donor mark on their driving license. So whenever cops now catch her, she just gives them the license, and the cops are like, oh, organ donor, and then they let her go.
Must be a good person.
And then
Yeah.
she gets out of situations. She gets sympathy for something she's not done,
She's not done yet, but she will do after she's dead.
and she was living off the credit.
You think there should be licenses with the organ receiver card also, so the cops can. You're an organ receiver. Come.
yeah,
Fuck
fucking-
you, yeah.
Yeah, also I think you more have a problem with your girlfriend than organ donors.
No, I feel like the sympathy that they get, they don't deserve it yet.
Why? It's a promise
Wait,
of
first of all, why are you giving them sympathy?
No,
Organ donation is not like you donate it
s-
today.
Not
and
sympathy.
When
but
you
they're
die,
like,
you will donate.
Like people put them on a pedestal. कि, oh, wow.
अच्छा एक मिनट ये लाइसेंस
देव
पे
मानुस
छप
है?
सकता है क्या कि ऑर्गन डोनर हो तो
क्या?
ये लाइसेंस पे छपता है कि यू आर
हाँ भाई.
भाई ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. हरियाणा में हुआ था मेरे कजिन के साथ.
सॉरी बट टाइम टू अपडेट माय लाइसेंस मैन
Your license doesn't have organ donor on it?
नो आई डोंट हैव अ लाइसेंस
Okay. Abhay Kumar, what is your lame last wish?
My lame last wish is that no one informs at my workplace that I'm dead.
Oh, so you continue
And
to get paid.
Someone pretends to be me and goes to my workplace and urinates on my colleagues. Not really.
But every day or
on the
only
desk.
on one day?
On one day. And then
I
they
think you
get
can
fired.
do this activity only once.
Yeah. It's a lame thing, but I just, that's
yeah
what
but
I
I
would
would
have
like
wanted.
to
Please
love
remember.
to not inform my colleagues at all that I'm dead and then have them hound me hey why is he not showing up
हाँ.
and then for एक हफ्ते तक परेशान रहे कि इसका काम किसको बांटे ये क्यों नहीं
Akash,
आ
this
रहा
is
है
inexcusable.
I want mails in my inbox once I'm dead.
And then again, sorry, we didn't know about this.
Yeah. And then I want to see like the anger dissolve into regret.
Shame.
I would like to give my ID password and laptop to you all so that one of you all can just log in
continue
and
to pretend.
keep replying. Chal Laudi, all that
नहीं
on.
करूँगा.
Yeah.
Bhag budbag, just reply bhag budbag, reply all,
Hello and welcome back to Who Died Today. We are now going to discuss our main man for the episode.
राजीव गांधी की हत्या एक ऐसा झटका जिसने न केवल भारत बल्कि पूरे विश्व को हिलाकर रख दिया. 21 मई 1991 का वह दिन जब इस युवा और करिश्माई नेता की जान ले ली गई.
can we acknowledge today, by the way, that the person that we're discussing was a gentleman, a thorough gentleman.
I personally like the guy. Like, if I have to vote,
Pretty nice guy. If he was alive today, it might have been a very different country.
Time, yeah.
Yeah, might have been a very different time. We're talking, of course, about the guy who died on 21st of May, Rajiv Gandhi. Yes, yes, yes. A true legend,
sweetheart,
sweetheart of all moms.
all moms,
All moms loved him. Very
favorite
good-looking
child.
guy. Favorite child for his own mom.
Good pilot.
Good pilot, unlike his brother.
Yeah, very much unlike
Like
his brother.
Great driver.
Yeah, and a reluctant politician as well.
Yeah, I never wanted to join politics.
Didn't want to join politics, and how right was he?
Yep.
भाई राजीव गांधी का कोई तो बॉडी पार्ट कहीं पे होगा जो उनको नहीं मिला होगा ना, मतलब नाउ इट मस्ट बी समवेयर इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. Didn't make it to the
Don't talk about Rahul Gandhi.
man. Wow. Personal biases aside, I don't know, man. I kind of like, I see glimmers of Rajiv Gandhi and Rahul as well. And I think he sees it also. He's one of his biggest fears is that he'll also be assassinated, like his father and his grandmother, and you know.
Yeah, the only thing that I see is the reluctancy to become a politician. Otherwise, none of that charm, none of that laid back, nice conversationalist. That's who Rajiv Gandhi was. Like, speak very slow,
Yeah.
nicely,
Yeah.
take you into what he's talking about.
Yeah, usually like his speeches were like, and the flight is landing at 3 p.m. 3.
Hello, this is your Captain Rajiv speaking.
This is your Prime Minister Rajiv speaking. He was a pilot, bro. He was the standard, like, okay, kind of like ideal Indian, you know, like going for a job, you know,
Yeah.
doing a good job.
Yeah,
Government job, no?
Government job.
Airline,
It was
Air
not
India.
privatized
Yeah,
yet.
yeah, government job.
It's a government job. Yeah.
5,000 rupee salary also.
It's called
Yeah.
Indian Airlines, not Air India back there.
Oh,
Back
it was
then.
Indian Airlines?
It's called
Not Air
Indian
India?
It's called Indian Airlines, bro.
What? Oh.
How did you all hear about Rajiv Gandhi for the first time? Because we were all not alive
Yeah.
Yeah.
when he was there. Actually, you were, right?
No, man. I was
90
born 1 year after he was
1
dead.
year after.
1991 he died. 1992 I was born.
Okay. Like, I know him through Madras Cafe, you know? This, it's in Matunga. Mukesh Ambani comes to eat idli. every Sunday Mukesh Ambani goes and the best chutney. And there I was sitting, so a friend told me about Rajiv Gandhi and the movie Madras Cafe.
So you learned about Rajiv Gandhi, the movie Madras Cafe, and Mukesh Ambani all at Madras Cafe in Matunga.
Yeah, so I really have to thank John Abraham, I think, overall. Clearly, Rajiv Gandhi was the elder brother. They had a very distinct...
No, Sanjay Gandhi was the elder brother.
No,
No,
bro.
Rajiv is the
Rajiv
elder
was the
bro.
elder brother,
Sanjay is the young gun.
Yeah.
Oh.
Rajiv was 4 years, 4.5 years.
That's why Sanjay, you know how Sanjay died, right? Sanjay died doing a stunt in an airplane.
Yeah.
He did the most Delhi Londa thing possible. He found an airplane. He was like, इसको ऐसा विली मार के उड़ाएंगे.
Donuts.
हाँ,
हाँ
और
भाई,
वैसा वो
वो-
क्रैश हो गया.
Donut करते करते मर गया.
हाँ, और जब घर पे बड़ा भाई पायलट है, तो छोटे भाई को क्या जरूरत है उड़ाने की?
Yeah.
संजय गांधी तो फुल ब्रो, तो दिल्ली फ्लाइंग क्लब का मेंबर था. वो कोई फैंसी प्लेन मंगवाया बाहर से, ठीक है, थ्रू लाइक जुगाड़ कि मैं इसको उड़ाऊंगा, और 2-3 बार चला चुका था. बट जिस दिन गया वो, उस दिन वो plane
अच्छा, वही प्लेन में मरा है?
हाँ, वो एक फैंसी स्पेशल प्लेन मंगाया था. उसका कुछ तो नाम है कि ये उड़ाऊंगा, इसमें ऐसे विली मारूंगा.
F1, F12.
आई डोंट नो मैन.
By the way, संजय गांधी पहले मरा कि इंदिरा गांधी?
संजय.
Sanjay died first.
Sanjay died first. That's why he had to join politics. Rajiv.
Yeah.
Rajiv had to join politics because Indira was making him emotionally ill.
And until then, Rajiv was not part of active politics.
No, Rajiv again was a very reluctant guy. He was a homely guy at a job. It's like मेरे को job पे जाना है, बीवी से बात करना है. I belong to this political family. लेकिन मेरे को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. अरे it's
राहुल गांधी जैसा.
वो रणवीर कपूर, हाँ, वो रणवीर कपूर का कैरेक्टर
राजनीति में.
in राजनीति is based on him. वो बाहर पढ़ता है. He does not want to get involved in all of this shit. But फिर ठीक है, उसमें जो भी मरता है. तो यहाँ basically संजय मरा. And then I think Indira Gandhi was like, hey bro, what do you want to do?
Which, by the way, is interesting because both brothers were enthusiastic about flying,
Yeah.
and one brother died flying, and now this guy is suddenly pressured by the world into not flying anymore. Meaning, अपना hobby बंद कर लो, अभी passion के लिए बहुत हो गया है, अब enter mainstream.
थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाओ बेटा
Career.
लाइफ में.
Serious हो जाओ.
ये क्या अच्छी जिंदगी जी रहे हो.
हाँ मतलब I think like I'm sure he hated Sanjay Gandhi for fucking up the game for him. Because he
Yeah.
really loved flying, this guy, you know. And Sanjay Gandhi loved politics.
Yeah. Sanjay Gandhi loved politics.
What
But
kind-
it's a huge conspiracy theory.
Yeah,
also
but
about
politics killed Rajiv Gandhi, and flying killed Sanjay Gandhi.
It's crazy, right?
What you love doesn't kill you.
it. Yeah, and
What
Congress.
you don't love kills you, bro. What you hate kills you.
What you
What you are forced into.
Kills you. Especially if it's like child trafficking,
Nasbandi.
Nazbandi.
corporate job.
Yeah, do you guys think Rajiv Gandhi is part of Mile High Club?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah,
He's a pilot, dude.
100%.
100%. Why not?
100%.
100%.
What do you think they did on like Sonia and Rajiv did on their first date?
On their first flight?
Yeah, first date. Yeah.
Have you not seen that scene? That's actually a video. Dude. It's yeah, Animals करके एक movie है उसके अंदर आता है वो लोग plane में उड़ रहे हैं वैसा ही एकदम.
Yeah, वो 50 Shades of Grey में भी दिखाया है. आता है. This is a tribute to Rajiv Gandhi.
Oh.
Yeah, वो
वो
नीचे-
text दिखता है उसपे.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Smoking is injurious to health. This is a tribute to Rajiv
See,
Gandhi.
thing is, दिल्ली के लौंडे को तुम कुछ भी दे दो वो चला लेंगे. उसको बस बताना है कि यार आगे लगाना है कि पीछे. That's all he needed. तो वैसे ही वो गवर्नमेंट भी चला लिया is what I feel. Like he just knew which gear to put it in. और 5 साल बढ़िया एक राज.
और लोग तो जानते भी थे कि उसका बाप कौन है.
कौन है? नेहरू. नहीं, फिरोज गांधी है भाई. Nobody knows फिरोज गांधी.
अरे यार थोड़े लोग तो जानते थे.
भाई फिरोज गांधी का कुछ सिग्निफिकेंस
चल ठीक है हमने कल रात को पढ़ा है लेकिन पहले तो लोग जानते थे.
फिरोज कौन है?
फिरोज शाह कोटला स्टेडियम ब्रो. उसका जो उधर जो
Owner
बॉल
उसका.
जो बॉल बॉय
ये
है
देखना
उसी के नाम पे.
उसके बाप के नाम पे स्टेडियम है और उसके नाम पे राजीव चौक.
Yeah, it was the career so
I mean, imagine, so we are all stand-up comics. That's our passion.
Yeah.
Let's say our brother is, we have a sibling. We all have a sibling, right? Let's say
Yeah.
you have a younger sibling. I have an elder sibling. ठीक है. Let's say your elder sibling. I know hard for you to relate, but let's say your elder sibling fucks up your entire game.
No, but उधर younger sibling fucked up. For Rajiv. The
भाई
younger
it's
sibling
always the younger ones who are fucking up.
Yeah.
Elder ones are taking care.
So he's a good elder.
Yeah, वो तो
Yes.
आदर्श बालक था भाई.
हाँ भाई हमेशा से आदर्श बालक गुड. That's why the Congress was like अरे भाई तुम आओ यार ये संजय खाली साइड में जाके प्लेन उड़ाता है. And तुम नहीं आओगे. And he's like नहीं मैं ये सब नहीं करता हूँ.
राजीव गांधी प्रॉपर पायलट था ब्रो. वो देश भी ऐसे ही चलाता था जैसे वो पायलट था अच्छे से. और संजय गांधी भी देश ऐसे ही चलाता था जैसे वो प्लेन चलाता था.
खड्डे में.
खड्डे में.
खड्डे में तो नहीं बट
खड्डे में नहीं सॉरी जो भी फील्ड का नाम है वो विकी कर लेना. वो उन घर के पीछे गिरा था उनके थोड़ा.
संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क.
Bro, I'll tell you long story short. He went to Chennai. And उन्होंने बोला ही था कि हिंदी में बात नहीं करने का, हिंदी इल्ले. दिल्ली का लौंडा इज लाइक और क्या चल रहा है, पराठे किधर हैं.
पराठे रेडी रखो.
So the monks living in Sri Lanka had a problem with the Tamils living on the borders of Sri Lanka.
Yes.
And vis-a-vis, so the Tamils living there started attacking the monks, and the monks were supported by the government. So the government was basically fighting the Tamils basically.
Yeah.
Civil
Indian
war हो
Tamils,
गया था.
Indian Tamils.
Civil war
Our
हो
military
गया.
was fighting Indian Tamils.
Though they were not specifically Indian Tamils, they were Sri Lankan Tamils, but they used to live at the border, and the Indian Tamils then started pressuring Rajiv Gandhi to basically give support to the Tamils living there, but Rajiv Gandhi was supporting the government of Sri Lanka.
Yes.
So he interfered in
He
a
interfered in local-
civil war,
Basically, yes.
and that's why
That's what got him killed.
yes.
And so the volunteers who were plotting to kill him actually did a rehearsal of the entire thing with then Prime Minister VP Singh. So they were like, how do we get to ex-prime minister security? How do we get through ex-prime minister security? So they were like, we will do it on current prime minister. And they
Wow.
went and rehearsed with VP Singh, where they put the mala and everything on VP Singh, and they got away with it. And then they were like, of course, now
Oh, they just did not push the button.
they didn't-
Baki sara
everything
scene
else they
kiya.
did,
Wow.
because they didn't want to kill VP Singh. VP Singh was okay with not interfering with Sri Lankan
Wow,
politics.
you have to be quite important to not be in power and still be
Well, no,
grounded and
he was about to get in power again.
Yeah.
That was the fear.
It only shows us how irrelevant VP Singh was.
Well, you know why he died? Really died, right?
Why?
Because he loved flying, dude. So he was at some place, I don't remember where, and his flight to Chennai had gotten canned. Like बहुत delay हो गया था, तो he's like, I'll live here only, Visakhapatnam, I think. So he's going to stay the night at Visakhapatnam. He's driving towards the property where he was going, a government guest house he was going to live in, and a cop on a bike followed his convoy.
And told him flight is back.
And told him flight is back. So he immediately took a U-turn because he loved flying, dude. He was like, oh, plane ready hai to fir main nikal raha hu.
Was he going to fly the flight? No.
Oh, he used to, by the way. That's a rumor.
Sometimes, yeah.
That sometimes he would also drive his own car. A PM who would drive his own car just because he loved driving.
Free
and he
miles
used
के
to
लिए क्या क्या
drive,
करते
by
हैं?
the way, faster than the convoy. So the convoy is trying
Would
to catch
sometimes
up.
get left behind.
Yeah. And he's already left, bro.
Clearly, we have seen the same videos.
Clearly, we have missed out on the coolest PM that existed.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
कितने का एक है? 100। अच्छा, कितनी है आपके पास ये सारी? ये कितनी है?
कौन चाहिए? कितना चाहिए?
आपके पास सारी कितनी है?
कितना चाहिए सर? बहुत है।
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27
और है?
और कितनी है?
ये कितना चाहिए आप?
आपके पास कितना है आप बताओ तो सही। 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 37 38 39 41 42 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 है। 57 कितने हो गए? 57 के 57 के कितने हो गए?
11,400।
11,400। ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 ये 10,000 हो गए। ठीक है, 11,000 और 500। ठीक है,
तो आप करना पड़ेगा।
कोई बात नहीं बाबू, 11,500 हो गए।
ये आशीर्वाद दिया कि बेटा तुम जहाँ कहो जाओगे तुम्हें कम नहीं लेगा।
So now that we've discussed who this guy was, can we move on to our next segment, the roast of Rajiv Gandhi? मेरे लिए first time I heard of Rajiv Gandhi was because of the sea link. I was not politically aware as a young.
Which sea link?
The Rajiv Gandhi sea link, bro.
Oh, I didn't hear it until I.
क्या है उस पे मोदी का फोटो ज्यादा दिखता है आजकल। सब लोग भूल गए हैं कि वो राजीव गांधी सीलिंग है।
But हाँ, मतलब very appropriate sea link connected one rich place to another rich place. Like beautifully done.
Yeah. Oh yeah, makes sense, dude. The poor are not allowed on that ceiling.
राजीव नाम सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि ये मतलब शादी वादी में बाल्टी लेके पुरस्कार ही करता होगा ऐसा खाने की।
वैसे देखा जाए तो
समझे? लंगर में सेवा करता है वो।
आए राजीव इधर से दरी ले आओ।
राजीव 2 पूड़ी लेके आना बेटा।
हाँ, राजीव 2 पूरी ले आओ। राजीव देश संभाल लो।
अरे ये दाल गरम नहीं है राजीव।
throughout the history of the Gandhi family, the names have gotten simpler and simpler. Nehru, Jawaharlal, Indira, Sanjay, Rajiv, Rahul.
Rahul, it's more getting more
It's
generic.
getting more and more generic.
Next is Pankaj.
The Congress family is very like fucking infamous for putting money in Swiss, like in Swiss banks, and Rajiv did put money in Swiss banks. So old habits die hard, but Rajiv died young.
He died young. But what if he also died hard? He was receiving, like a woman was going down on him while he died.
Yeah, it's a 13-year-old. You are in jail.
No, she wasn't 13, bro.
She was a child.
Was she? Dude, she looked 18, bro.
That's just you.
She looked 18.
I didn't see her that closely. Just you.
Rajiv Gandhi married an Italian lady, which proves what Indians will do for a free pizza. How far they will go.
Rumor time. Rumor time, now it's time for
Rumor time. So, guys, do you all have any interesting rumors about kuch suna hai? Khas? Something new?
Major.
Yes, we have a major rumor in the house.
Major.
Major rumor in the house. The death of Sanjay Gandhi. Now this is conspiracy theory level rumor, okay? Was orchestrated, was very much caused by Indira Gandhi. Because
हो ही नहीं सकता बट
of
ठीक है बोल
Sanjay
बोल
Gandhi.
बोल बोल हाँ
because Sanjay was too keen to join politics. And Indira didn't like what he was doing. And she really wanted Rajiv to join politics. And as an impetus, उसने ये करवा दिया. और फिर राजीव गांधी कर लिया ना join politics.
एक माँ देख ही नहीं सकती अपने बच्चे को पेन में कैसे मारेगी एक माँ एक इंडियन माँ
भाई मेरी बात है तो
देश की माँ है
बहुत मारा मुझे तो
अरे थप्पड़ मारे ना लाते घुसे चप्पल झाड़ू
कूट
हाँ
दिया यहाँ.
विलन सरेंडर
But तू क्या नसबंदी तू करवाया क्या ऐसे on a massive scale?
ऑन अ मैसिव स्केल मैं नहीं करवाया हूँ अभी तक एटलीस्ट पर्सनली मेरा तो इतना कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं रहा है नसबंदी का बट तू बोल रहा है कि इंदिरा गांधी उसको मरवा देगी
एक
जस्ट
मिनट, मैं नहीं
बिकॉज
बोल रहा हूँ. Conspiracy.
तू बोल रहा है
theory
भाई
है ये.
तू
ये तो
हमें तो
theory
तूने ही
सुना है.
बताया भाई तू ही है वो
इतने rumors
Acha,
सुना है.
what are your sources?
My sources are
इस पंवाड़ी
are somebody the Panwadi, I don't know.
Someone of political repute? Someone who's
देख
in the know?
ब्रो संजय गांधी दिल्ली का लौंडा था यंगर ब्रदर था ठीक है उसको सिर्फ पावर अब्यूज करनी थी और उसको प्लेन उड़ाने में अब वो प्लेन क्रैश में पड़ा है वो प्लेन क्रैश में स्टंट करते हुए मरा है प्लेन में उसकी मम्मी उसको केटीएम दिलाती तो भी वो यही करता था एग्जैक्ट चीज वो केटीएम क्रैश में ही मरता था तो आई डोंट थिंक कि यार
But for the
इंदिरा ने
sake of
मरवाया
this
है
conversation, I will be on the positive side of
हाँ
the
you
conspiracy.
make your
okay?
argument I make my argument
I mean, but ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि एक आध पुर्जा निकाल दिया प्लेन का निकलवा दिया और धड़ाम धुड़ुम देन because these are very political families ठीक है और मैंने हाउस ऑफ कार्ड्स पूरा देखा और वो लोग आपस के लोग को मरवाते रहते हैं हर टाइम ब्रो
और ये एक इंडियन मदर है यार ये एक इंडियन मॉमी है
पॉलिटिशियन फर्स्ट और अ मदर फर्स्ट
But she's also Italian, no? She can't really
ओ
relate
भाई
to.
इंदिरा गांधी इटालियन है
इंदिरा गांधी कितना इटालियन
Oh, Indira Gandhi, not Sonia Gandhi.
इंदिरा गांधी इंदिरा गांधी इज डेड
हाँ
So my rumor is that Rajiv Gandhi didn't really know how to fly. He basically he would always carry one midget in his jacket. He was a much better flyer than Rajiv Gandhi, and he would.
and Sanjay Gandhi also.
no
Sanjay Gandhi had a separate midget
Yeah, he
They
forgot
were-
his midget at home that day.
that day when he got into the crash. And look, I'm not trying to be ableist here. I'm
Fair
saying
enough,
all
yeah.
midgets can fly.
बट उनका वो पाँव नहीं पहुंचेगा ना ब्रेक तक
तो
अरे उसीलिए
Bro,
तो
एक
संजय
सेकंड
राजीव
कौन से एयरप्लेन में यहाँ ब्रेक लग रही है ब्रो पैर से
अरे भाई एक मिनट द मिजेट कंट्रोल द प्लेन राजीव एंड संजय कंट्रोल द मिजेट
Yeah.
ऐसे ऊपर कर दिया फिर नीचे कर दिया
yeah.
ये तो मैंने भी सुना है ब्रो
Yeah, वो लोग midget को अपने सर पे डालते थे.
but that might be true also because Janata Dal revoked his flight license when they came into power in 77 and
They're like, hey, there's just a small issue. He's like, what? That midget.
कॉकपिट में 2.5 लोग
and
अलाउड नहीं है
when Congress came back into power his license they got him back
Oh. So,
Yeah.
Oh. So you're saying Janta Sangh?
Janta हाँ जनता दल
Janta Dal? Yeah, Jan Sangh.
जनता दल जन संघ is different that's old BJP
So basically you're saying Janta Dal is anti-midget while Congress is pro-midget.
No, he's saying those midgets are a part of the Congress party. They
Janata
only
Dal
get
knew.
active when Congress is in power.
Janata Dal knew he's using a midget to fly the plane and doesn't know how to fly the plane himself
Oh.
so they revoked
So that's the buffer scam.
I've heard a rumor also.
Yeah.
I've heard that liberalization happened. Well, basically, Rajiv Gandhi made liberalization possible, so that
Right, somebody else did actually. उसके.
no, but he was the grounding this thing, the father of it.
Yeah, because Manmohan came afterwards, no?
Yeah, he wanted like Sonia wanted to watch TV, you know, and that was a rare
बाहर का
commodity.
cooking channel.
She wanted to just
MasterChef.
basically
Italian cook
like
house.
enjoy like a nice homely whatever, be a housewife and
That's an
raise kids and all, focus on that. But you can't import TVs if you are not a liberal country, brother.
So first you import the wife.
Yes, then you import the TVs and the cars and whatever you
Do you
need.
think Sonia Gandhi is a fan of Sopranos?
Oh, could be. Yes, I think
goes
she
like,
was.
Gabagool.
She's like,
You've never seen her talk like this, right?
Yeah, we've never seen Sonia Gandhi be like,
That's just
Oh, the great
reserved for
election!
That's reserved for Rajiv, I think.
Come over later. I make you some meatball. No, never.
boys, since his death, 21st May has been declared as Anti-Terrorism
yeah.
Day. in
Yeah,
India.
this is anti-terrorism day, by the way.
Hey, happy anti-terrorism
Happy
day.
Anti-Terrorism
Happy
Day.
anti-terrorism day. Happy anti-terrorism day.
Anti-happy
Happy,
ram.
happy,
Anti-Happy Terrorism Day.
Anti-happy. So we first episode was us discussing a terrorist, and now second is
crazy.
us
Anti-terrorist.
We've
discussing
come
on
full
the
circle, bro.
anti-terrorist
Life has
day,
come full
dude.
circle.
Yeah.
I think there is more meaning to this episode
Yeah,
now, more than ever.
These dope ass horoscopes. These dope ass horoscopes.
We're doing a brand new segment for you today. It's called Horoscope of the Day, where we go back in time to see what the horoscope of the day for the person who died on the day that they died
Wow.
was.
Wow.
Wow! So, guys,
all true, all facts, by the way.
Rajiv Gandhi was a Leo, and he died on the 21st of May, 1991. So we are going to read the horoscope of the day for Rajiv Gandhi, the Leo, on 21st of May, 1991. And here's what his horoscope for the day says. This day might bring a mix of excitement and challenges. You could find yourself in social situations where your natural charm shines through,
Oh dear.
leading to new friendships or strengthening existing ones.
Wow.
Your creativity is likely to be heightened today. So consider engaging in activities that allow you to express yourself.
Dude, this guy read it in the newspaper and went, bro. He was like, nothing could go wrong today.
आज तो
I'm-
speech देना ही.
Yeah, I should express myself in Chennai.
Yeah.
You know?
Can't miss
Made a
out
lot
on
of
this
new
value.
friends.
Oh,
Yeah,
dude.
there's thousands of
Yeah.
people. They all want to love me.
Yeah,
Of
they
course.
all wanted to garland him also.
Very tough. Very
Yeah,
tough.
you could find yourself getting bombed in social situations. That's what they should have
what-
written.
yeah.
You know,
That's
And
what
he,
happened
find
now.
that
yourself.
day he went into great company like Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru,
John Abraham.
John Ibrahim, Karl Marx. Great
Edgar
company.
Allan Poe, yes.
Yeah.
Can't believe that he was asked to express himself that day.
I think they misspelled explode.
I think he tried expressing. I think in the end he probably expressed.
He said,
Also, in a way, in a way, he also took the express route.
Express
Super fast.
Chennai Express. What like?
Chennai Super Express via
Chennai is
Jaffna.
super fast.
Dude, actually, at the bomb blast, after the blast was done, they did the lungi dance. They did it.
Oh, dude.
That's you haven't seen the lungi
That's
dance.
racist. That's racist, dude.
It's the footage
That's
is now
ra-
missing, but it was.
That's you getting cancelled on 5 counts. Racism, insensitivity.
At least it's a nice groovy.
But he's the kind of guy who would mix like lassi in a coconut.
He was all
Delhi
about
guy,
fusion, bro.
Delhi guy. So
All about fusion. Italian pizza, maybe he preferred like having a
You
little
know,
bit of dhania. You know.
Two things that are very cheap in Chennai, right? Dosa and life, dude.
Also garlands.
I'm just expressing myself, guys. Don't be mad.
It
You
is
know?
sasti hai, but
I'm a Leo on 1990. It's 21st May.
I hope this
Congress
podcast
को-
doesn't explode.
Guess कांग्रेस को जीत हार की आदत लगी रहती है.
What if he was here to express that, okay, ये सब war खत्म करते हैं, छोड़ो ये श्रीलंका वाला सीन जाने दो.
हाँ
तो
क्रिकेट ही
तो
खेलते
बोला
हैं
होता कि
बस
नहीं नहीं माला वाला का कोई जरूरत नहीं आप पहन लीजिए. He'd been humble one day.
Yeah, express yourself, you know.
But crazy true fact. So the person who was supposed to put the mala on him, she was first shooed away by a cop over there itself, like seconds before this happened. She was shooed away, and then Rajiv Gandhi saw her being shooed away,
Yeah.
and then he said, "No, we will not shoo away the common man." And he,
that's how he said it,
woman.
the common man, that's how he
The one time a
referred
cop
to
did
the
his job.
general people.
yeah, the cop was doing his job,
Yeah.
and he says,
Properly.
he says, "No, you come here."
Yeah, the cop probably said, नहीं नहीं bomb है इसके पास.
He's like, I'm not gonna hear shit from you.
क्या ये bomb
I'm
है?
gonna express myself because that's.
And then he says, "No, you come here." He summons the person. However, be mindful of potential misunderstandings in personal or professional relationships. Your enthusiasm might come off as overbearing to some.
The LTT.
Keep communication clear to avoid conflicts.
Wow, this is too accurate.
It's a little bit
Yeah.
eerie, if I may say so myself.
Yeah, I think I believe in horoscopes now. I want to see
Potential
horoscope every day.
misunderstandings in personal or professional relationships.
Yeah, that's too accurate, man.
Or international relationships. I think वो add कर देना चाहिए.
That's almost like if
Dude.
Prabhakar wrote his horoscope.
प्रभाकर जाएगी तू चल तू आगे बढ़
अरे
भाई.
क्या बढ़िया ना फर्स्ट हाफ देख तू लेकिन फर्स्ट हाफ क्या बढ़िया.
इसका फ्यूचर मैं लिखूंगा.
Financially, it's a good day to revisit your budget and plan for future expenses. Wow. Very apt because
That's why
immediately future expenses.
Those
were
2 billion
popping.
in the
I'm
Swiss
sure
bank
Priyanka
account.
and Rahul went through the budget that day. And like, okay, this is what we get
They're
today.
like, dad is not planning shit.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah, it's like भाई 2.2 billion है bro इस funeral के लिए. I think they could have hired like 3 people each for bringing back one part each.
Bhai, they should have at least, I think, on priority hunted for his thumb. Thumb Swiss bank में biometric से ही चलता है.
कैम्ब्रिज गया था साले वो अभी तो तू बोला
Sign
था.
करने
लेकिन
आता है
biometric
भाई.
से होता है भाई.
अबे उस
Sign
टाइम
करने
करना
आता है
है
bro.
Swiss bank में
स्विस
sign
बैंक
doesn't
तो कौन
work.
सा जो धूम 3 में दिखाया था वो स्विस बैंक की बात कर रहा है क्या तू या
Swiss
फिर
bank में Swiss
तू
bank
actual
Swiss bank में signature doesn't work bro. It's thumb or iris.
इसे एक्चुअली चाटना पड़ता है. एक स्क्रीन होती है उसको चाटो
उसका
तो
अगर
चीज
स्क्रीन को ठीक से चाट लो
lick stamp whatever this. It is a thing.
It's a thing.
You don't know.
Nah.
I'm a chartered accountant, so I've studied.
I just have money in Swiss bank. Yeah.
You have money in Swiss bank?
Yeah.
How much do you have?
तो मेरा split wise clear कर दे.
Tax free.
But वो लिखा है कि communication clear रखो to avoid conflict. So why was he not talking to LTT, bro? What do you think?
No, he was talking to LTT's enemies, no. Very clearly. He was talking.
Oh.
And LTT was like, यार ये communication थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही clear है. तो let us, intercept.
जॉन अब्राहम ने बोला भी था मत जाओ
Hmm.
पर कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया ढंग से. पता
पर उसने
नहीं क्या
एक्सप्रेशन
है.
दिए नहीं ढंग के वही एक्सप्रेशन यूज किया जो हर डायलॉग के लिए
एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ बोला है और भेज भी जॉन अब्राहम को रहे हैं तो फिर तो होना ही है. पीएम के हाथ तो मतलब
It's like,
इससे अच्छा गार्नियर का फेस वॉश ही भेज देता चूत के.
Rajiv Gandhi is like, John, your lips say something, but your eyes say nothing at all. ठीक है.
एंड द स्क्रिप्ट सेज समथिंग एल्स ओनली बाबा.
जॉन बोल रहा है फ्लाइट उठा के दिखाऊं क्या आपकी प्लेन उठा सकता हूँ आपका.
Yeah, what was more dead than do you think Rajiv Gandhi was more dead or John Abraham's expressions in Madras Cafe? I think Rajiv Gandhi was
I think
less dead.
he took inspiration.
Rajiv Gandhi took inspiration.
No,
John
Abraham.
John was like, I need to look like I am assassinated.
Yeah.
Thing is, John can do it consistently. Rajiv only did it in the last 5 minutes.
John does it every time.
Yeah. Wow.
Avoid impulsive spending, they say. Avoid impulsive spending.
तो वो बोफोर्स के लिए लिखा था.
Don't spend your life on impulse. Anyway,
वो बोफोर्स के लिए था. In love, you might feel a strong desire for affection and understanding. Share your feelings honestly with your partner, and you'll likely receive a warm response. What was he trying to communicate to Sonia?
He received a warm response, but he gave a cold response.
Yeah. with
I mean,
his
he
whole
might
body.
have done this part right. You never know what he was talking about with Sonia, you know, during that day. He probably called her from the flight or something. I don't know.
Said,
You know.
आज पास्ता अच्छा बना है.
हाँ.
कि मीट बॉल्स में बॉल्स मेरे हैं क्या?
Overall, focus on maintaining a balance between your ambition and personal connections, and you'll find a fulfilling day.
ये भी बोफोर्स के लिए.
ये भी.
एंड में ये भी लिख देना भगवान आपकी आत्मा को शांति दे.
हाँ, RIP तो लिख देते भाई.
Complete ही हो जाता.
ये तो accurate बिल्कुल नहीं, RIP नहीं लिखा एंड में.
प्रभाकरन ने लिखा.
Also you will not read any horoscope tomorrow or need.
हाँ, अगर honest horoscope होता तो they should have at least said, you know, they should have been more clear. Future financial planning for your kids who are going to be orphaned. You know, like in brackets.
Orphan, हाँ मतलब half orphan.
Half orphan. Anyways, orphan. You know.
Yeah,
how-
the mother is Italian, so it doesn't count.
Why?
If you are
See,
Italian,
pasta. Why it doesn't?
I'm a Mario. Okay, now.
Give me a vote. If Sonia Gandhi tries Kullad pizza, only then she has a chance of coming back.
What
Bro.
is the Kullad pizza? Like Kullad chai?
Pizza is, I think, the way to go.
Pizza is also.
We are at that point in the episode where we will now rate their death.
Rate that death on the cracks.
Gajendra, how would you rate Rajiv Gandhi's death?
10 on 10 for sure.
10 on 10?
10 on 10 for sure. Because
No scope for improvement, you feel?
yeah, I don't think you can like
It's a
you know,
perfect death.
They planned it. They planned it out on a guy who's more important than him at the current time.
It was an international plan also. It was not just
They crossed boundaries
They crossed,
for it, geographical
the Ram Setu.
boundaries.
They came across the Ram Setu.
Yeah. Perfect
Yeah,
garland.
Ram Setu. Yeah.
Perfect
Ram Setu is
garland they
real.
chose. You know, Mogra, I'm sure. You know, and then they executed it perfectly. So 10 on 10 for at least the guys who did it.
Flew on Rath also.
Yeah. Yeah, and he didn't die alone, so that's the nicest thing, you know.
Yeah, he died with 15 other people.
Died with 15 other people, so if you don't die alone, I feel like that's a good death.
Yeah, and his death was a blast.
You know, people say you come in this world alone, you go in this world alone.
Yeah.
Not Rajiv Gandhi. Came in the world alone, but took 15 along with him.
So Gajendra with a 10 on 10 rating, first time ever on this podcast,
Yeah.
by the way. A 10 on 10
Yeah,
death.
10 on 10.
It's only the second episode.
It's
so
only the
it's-
second episode, and we've already. How
Reached
is
on
it?
a 10 on 10.
Yeah.
This is the perfect death.
I disagree with Gajendra. I think it's a 5 on 10 at best because he died in Chennai, bro. Chennai is so sad, bro.
It's humid.
Macha. I tell you, Macha, it's sad, bro.
Yeah, tell me why.
Like
Macha.
dying in Bangalore, so much more fun place, bro. Dying in Bombay, more fun place, bro. Delhi, great food at least. Macha, Chennai, dude, boring place.
Why, Cheta?
Chennai, nothing to do.
9 on 10.
9 on 10.
Wow.
9 on
He's
10.
got
9
good
on 10.
numbers, man. Today.
Yeah, 9 on 10, man.
9 on 10. Sounds like you're happy that he died.
No, man, I'm not happy that when anyone तो बहुत हो गया. But yeah,
Apart from his parents.
yeah, anyway, 9 on 10, bro. I think it was very perfectly planned, nicely executed. And it had like an aura of, hey, we are welcoming you to the other side. Because एक तो suicide bombing में ऐसा है ना, हम तेरे को अकेले नहीं जाने दे रहे. It's always beautiful like. So
ये क्या पता नहीं यार वहाँ को नॉर्थ इंडियन मार रहे हैं बेटे को साउथ इंडियन मार रहे हैं क्या है तो फिर हाउ इज इट 9 on 10 bro how is it togetherness you know
No.
they hated him
Oh, look. Also, like when he died, he went back to where he came from, like as in where the rest of the family was.
Which is heaven.
वो तो अलग-अलग है.
Oh,
ठीक
he
है,
was the
but-
last Gandhi to die also. Like from the 3 that died.
Yeah, the last relevant Gandhi to die.
Okay. All right. So a 9 on 10 death for the execution and planning. Planning and execution.
Execution, planning, the aftermath. In general.
Aftermath में क्या है मतलब कितने pieces हैं total उसको tally करो.
नहीं, I mean the impact that it created also, like.
did the Sri Lanka issue actually get resolved after he died
Yeah, I think so. I think
then
it
it's a
might.
9 on 10 death also
Yeah, they beat us in 2007 World Cup.
One point I'm taking away from the choice of flowers for the garland.
But he said it was great. What is your personal choice of flowers?
I like more like you could have had like a mix of
Lilies and
tuberose,
blub.
lilies, bougainvilleas, just marigold. Your regular har, I think.
But they smell good.
Yeah, but a better mix, I would say. A better palette. You are killing somebody very important. You're not going to do with just basic
Yeah.
shadi flowers.
Get some lilies, bro, at least.
Yeah.
Get some roses
yeah,
going on.
get like a good mix, bro. You're sending a
Yeah,
very important guy
yeah.
away.
Yeah.
Can't cheap out on flowers.
cheap
Can't
out on flowers.
can't be like my family
That way, at
functions.
least the quality of bomb they ensured.
It worked.
That's why a lot of points.
So effective bomb, but ineffective flowers.
Flowers.
Ineffective.
Disrespectful flowers.
Yeah, not up to the
Not
mark.
up to the mark. Not prime ministerial.
Yeah.
I would say very cinematic end to his life. You know, there's a car sequence where convoy is chasing him. You know, a flight has been cancelled and uncancelled. Then he flies to the place. It could have been the entire day could have turned out anyway. You know, it could have gone in any direction possible. For example, if these bombers, the suicide bombers, had not practiced beforehand, they practiced. They were like, how do we get through to the ex-prime minister? How do we pass through that security, you know? And in order to do that, they actually went through security of existing Prime Minister VP Singh, which for me was mind-blowing. That, you know, like, ऐसा कौन सा चोर है जो बोलता है यार मुझे कोटक का बैंक रेड करना है बट उसके पहले वो बोलता है चलो आरबीआई पे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं यू नो तो आरबीआई को रेड करते हैं पहले तो दीज गाइज एक्चुअली यू नो दे पुट इन द एफर्ट एंड दैट मच आई कैन रिस्पेक्ट फॉर दैट आई वुड गिव देम 10 on 10 but you know of course he should not have died.
How do you think that cop feels who went on his bike, who sped on his bike, went to the convoy and told Rajiv Gandhi कि आपका plane? He must have been feeling that very proud that day कि अरे यार मैंने आज अच्छा काम किया ना यार कि उसका फ्लाइट मिस हो जाता मैंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का हेल्प किया आज याद रखेगा मेरे को आधे घंटे के लिए और याद रखेगा.
Oh bhai. Yeah, I'm sure he still tells his kids, you know, please don't vote for Rahul Gandhi because if he becomes prime minister, then he'll also die.
I think he has like committed his vote to Congress forever. He's
Forever.
like, I can't not vote Congress after what I did.
Yeah, there's blood on his hands
There is.
and a little bit of black ink stain here. Yeah, so I would rate Rajiv Gandhi's death as possibly like a 6.5 on 10. That's my final rating.
Eulogy time.
My eulogy is that it's the perfect example of when your Indian mother tells you that what you're doing is not enough and you should instead be doing this. Don't listen to her, just follow your heart, follow your passion. Flying was his passion, bro. Flying. Not dying.
Yeah,
That's it.
fair. So follow your heart, follow your passion, and hopefully, you know, by the end of that journey, you're still alive.
That's what we're doing here.
Would you say we're following our passion?
Yeah. My mother said focus on work. You know?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm podcasting here with you guys.
Wow.
I'm following my heart.
Yeah, man. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.
Rajiv.
It's like it's more like this, but
Rajiv
it's
in
the
peace.
Congress. Sorry.
Rajiv in peace.
Raj.
Rajiv in peace.
That's Lotus, bro. Don't do that.
That's BJP. To guess who died in our next episode, drop a comment below. If we can drop some hints,
Can I drop a hint?
you can absolutely drop a hint.
It's the acronym for Sonia Sanjay Rajiv. That's who we are bringing in the next
That's
episode.
a heavy hint.
Yeah, it's a very heavy hint, guys.
Could be anything. QBZ,
Yeah, it's a very direct hint.
XYZ.
Yeah.
So yeah, stay posted for our next episode. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you liked about this episode.
And some of your favorite ways to die, so that we can discuss them in the next episode.
He was such a nice guy. Every time he came, he said, "Ladies and gentlemen, we arrived at the Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji terminal." कर दिया ये? Oh fuck.
scratching the bottom of the barrel right now.
हेडफोन लगा के सुन क्या रहा है तू?
You have the clearest voice.
Gajju's contribution is his contribution plus his contribution minus my contribution. What nonsense!